Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn about 茶餐廳 and some of the most popular foods and drinks that you can order. Let's get started. 茶餐廳 茶餐廳 A 茶餐廳 is a Hong Kong-style cafe or restaurant. You can have breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea, dinner, or a quick meal at a 茶餐廳. 茶 means tea. 餐廳 means restaurant. Let's learn some popular food that you can order. Pineapple bun, 菠蘿包, 菠蘿包. They can also serve pineapple bun with a thick butter inside, which is 菠蘿油, 菠蘿油. Toast, 多士, 多士. French toast, 西多士, 西多士. Ham, 火腿, 火腿. Macaroni, 通粉, 通粉. Ham macaroni, 火腿通粉, 火腿通粉. Instant noodles, 公仔麵, 公仔麵. Instant noodles with spam and egg. 餐蛋麵, 餐蛋麵. Satay beef noodles, 沙爹牛肉麵, 沙爹牛肉麵. Barbecue pork rice, 叉燒飯, 叉燒飯. Baked pork chop rice, 焗豬扒飯, 焗豬扒飯. Stir-fried beef rice noodles. 乾炒牛河, 乾炒牛河. Curry rice. 咖喱飯, 咖喱飯. How would you like your eggs? Scrambled eggs. 炒蛋, 炒蛋. Fried egg. 煎蛋, 煎蛋. Sunny side up. 太陽蛋, 太陽蛋. Over easy egg. 反蛋, 反蛋. Hard-boiled egg. 烚蛋, 烚蛋. Soft-boiled egg. 半熟蛋, 半熟蛋. Egg sandwich. 蛋治, 蛋治. Milk tea. 奶茶, 奶茶. Hot milk tea. 熱奶茶, 熱奶茶. Coffee. 咖啡, 咖啡. There's a common drink that mixed with milk tea and coffee. It's called 鴛鴦, 鴛鴦. Hot lemon tea. 熱檸茶, 熱檸茶. Iced lemon tea. 凍檸茶, 凍檸茶. Red bean iced drink. 紅豆冰, 紅豆冰. Pineapple soda with ice. 菠蘿冰, 菠蘿冰. Pop or soft drinks. 汽水, 汽水. Well done today. Check out my video on how to order at a restaurant, so you can order all of these popular food in Cantonese. Make sure to subscribe for more Cantonese lessons. See you next time. 下次見.